Hello. Talofa. It's Lucky. How are you? Oha mai oe.
Today, we are going to show you our pets at home. Yay! I'm so excited to introduce to you our 4 pets. Do you know what pets are?
Pets are animals that live with us in our homes.
We treat them like family members or friends. A family just got bigger. Perfect! How do you say animal in Samoan?
Animal in Samoan is manu.
Can you repeat that again, please?
Manu. Animal.
Alright, let's go and show them our pets because I really can't wait! Yippee! Oh! Hi, Bricks! Did you miss me? Lucky, how do you say dog in Samoan?
Dog in Samoan is maile. Maile. Dog.
This is our dog, Bricks.
Ole mato maile lea or Bricks. This is our dog, Bricks.
Can you say that again? Slowly, please.
O le ma to mai le a o Bricks. This is our dog Bricks. You can also say ole mato maile lea or and your pet's name.
You can name your pet whatever you want.
We named our dog Bricks because we think it's perfect for him.
Bricks is a big and strong dog. Bricks just fits.
Bricks has black and brown fulufulu or fur.
We give him a bath every day to keep his fur smooth and shiny.
Bricks was given by our friend when he was still a puppy.
How do you say puppy in Samoan?
Puppy in Samoan is tamai maile.
Bricks barks at almost everything, and I really hate it when he barks every night.
But he guards our house very well. He whoa or barks when he thinks something is wrong.
But when he barks a lot, he can be very annoying.
Lani really hates noise.
Sadly, that's true. Also, Bricks needs a lot of regular exercise.
If not, he will destroy things at home. Oh. And Mum might get angry.
That's why we play with him a lot to keep him moving. Isn't that right, Bricks?
He likes to play fetch and he knows how to sit, stand up and roll over. Do you want to see?
Oh, that's a great idea. Show them what Bricks can do. It's gonna be fun. Yay!
Here we go. Bricks, Noffle, sit. Good boy. One more Bricks. Tu ilunga. Stand up. Good boy.
Wow! Isn't that amazing? Can you do that again?
Sure. Bricks, Noffle, sit. Good boy. Alright, Bricks. Tu ilunga. Stand up. Good boy.
That's awesome! It's really fun teaching dogs how to do things.
Yes, that's right. We enjoy it and we want to teach Bricks more tricks in the future.
Let's review all the Samoan word about our dog, Bricks.
Sure.
Dog.
Maile.
This is our dog.
Ole mato maile lea.
Fur.
Fulufulu.
Puppy. happy.
Te mai maile.
Bark.
Uou.
Sit.
Nofo.
Stand up.
Tu ilunga. Oh, look! It's our cat, Mimi. Hello. Talofa. Hello, Mimi.
Aww, she's a very sweet cat. How do you say cat in Samoan?
It's very easy. Cat in Samoa is pusi.
Oh, yes. It's very simple. Let us introduce Mimi to everybody. They are excited to meet her.
This is our cat, Mimi. O le mātou pusi lea o Mimi. O le mātou pusi lea o Mimi. This is our cat, Mimi. You can also say o le mātou pusi lea or with your pet's name.
We found Mimi across the road. She was alone and very sad.
She was very thin and hungry, so we took her home.
Since then, she became our pet.
Look at Mimi now. She's happy and very healthy.
And she is very active too.
I'm very happy we saved Mimi when she was still a kitten.
How do you say kitten in Samoan?
Kitten in Samoan is te mai pusi.
What does Mimi like doing?
She likes to moe or sleep on the couch.
Cats sleep a lot. They are very relaxed. Brix and Mimi are very good friends. They play with each other at home.
We are very happy just by watching them. They are both so playful.
Let's go through the Samoan words we learned about Mimi.
No problem. Let's start. Pusi.
Cat.
O le mātou pusi.
This is our cat.
Te mai pusi.
Kitten.
Moe.
Sleep. Oh, there you are, pretty lovebirds. Look at them. Lovely couple.
They are so pretty. Can you tell the birds' names?
Their names are Princess Diana and Elton. How do you say bird in Samoan?
Bird in Samoan is manulele.
Can you say that again?
Manu lele. Manulele. Birds.
Please introduce our birds in Samoan, Lucky.
O le mātou manulele ia. Or Princess Diana ma Elton. These are our birds. Princess Diana and Elton. Manulele, or birds, are Lani's favorite pets.
I like birds because I love listening to them sing, especially in the morning. Oh, it's very relaxing.
Another cute bird that makes a cute noise is a duck, and they walk side to side.
Oh, they are adorable. How do you say duck in Samoan?
Duck in Samoan is pato. Duck. Pato.
Birds are very smart, just like dogs. That's why I like them so much.
Let's go through the Samoan words we learned about our pet birds, Princess Diana and Elton. Manulele.
Birds.
O le mātou manulele ia.
These are our birds.
Pato.
Duck. Wow, it would be fun to have all of them in our backyard. How can we take care of our pets very well?
We have to feed them well. They can't get hungry.
We also have to give them a good place and home to rest.
For some pets like dogs, We can take them for walks in the park.
Or we can just simply play with them at home in our free time.
Being a pet owner is not that easy.
So, we have to be sure if we know how to be a good pet owner before we start.
We learnt a lot today. We hope you enjoyed meeting our pets, Brix, Mimi, Princess Diana, and Elton.
Until next time.
Bye!